Weather alert. Weather alert. Let's go. Here we go.
First one of the day. Hi!
County in west central Montana until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:56 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Woodside. For thunderstorm warning for the following county: Valley, Montana.
Fuck yeah, let's go.
Central Montana until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:56 p.m. The storm was located near Woodside or near Hamilton, moving northeast at 20 miles.
The pets are...
Moving northeast at 20 miles. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny. Your thunderstorm warning for the following include Hamilton, Stephenville, Victor, Woodside, Hinesdale, Bell Crossing, and Corvallis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor until 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:56 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Woodside or near Hamilton, moving northeast.
Treasure Flight is sponsored by Republic Services.
Story, and you just can't fake this.
Hinesdale, Bell Crossing, and Corvallis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning for the following county: Valley, Montana. The National Weather Service in Missoula has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ravalli County in west central Montana until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:56 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Woodside or near Hamilton, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hamilton, Stephenville, Victor, Woodside, Hinesdale, Bell Crossing, and Corvallis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Holy fuck, okay.
Here, have station identification.
Well, this is one surprise I was not anticipating on getting. First Missoula SVR. Actually, technically not the first. The first for Valley County SVR for 2025. Yeah, that's looking interesting, to say the very least. So, and we got another SPS for Idaho County. It's probably for this cluster right down here. So that was a welcoming gift for July. So yeah. I didn't get it on as much stations as I was hoping to get it on, but at least this thing went off again for a weather alert activation. So, that's all that matters. We'll see what the next one brings.
Gusting to 18 miles an hour. Once again at 4 p.m.
Alright, so back again. Oh, they're gonna let it expire.
For the following county, Ravalli, Montana. The severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ravalli County will expire at 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has weakened. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. 4 p.m. Weather in Missoula, partly sunny skies.
So we'll see what they do about this one.
Relative humidity 19%. Winds from the northwest at 3 miles an hour time.
While they replay that.
Prompted the warning has weakened. Therefore,
Hi.
the warning will be allowed to expire. At 4:06 p.m. Mountain Daylight.
I think Missoula's going to issue an SPS for Missoula County.
Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Darby, Oregon, 19 miles
Just
south of
that
Hamilton,
storm right
moving
there.
northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and half-inch size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Hamilton, Darby, Connor, Grantsdale, Charles Heights, and Como. This includes Highway 93 south between mile markers 19 and 48. The storm may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. 4 p.m. Weather in Missoula, partly sunny skies. Temperature 91 degrees, relative humidity 19%. Winds from the northwest at 3 miles an hour. Pressure 29.75 inches and falling. In Kalispell, partly cloudy and 89 degrees, humidity 26%. Winds from the south at 6 miles an hour. Pressure 29.75
We'll see what they do here on this one.
steady.
Okay. A little after 7:30. Look at that sucker right there. This is in Lake County. This is about 20 minutes north of me. There's an SPS that's got issued for Lake, Missoula, and Sanders counties. And there's half dollars mixed in. So this could mean another possible warning being issued on not just them up there, but I better get a WXL82 monitor ready. And what is this? Oh, hi, Glasgow.
Seattle partly sunny at 75. Winds from the southwest at 9 miles an hour. Salt Lake City partly sunny at 79.
Da.
7 p.m. Missoula, was partly cloudy at 77 degrees. Your weather forecast. Idaho, partly sunny skies. Temperature 70 degrees.
Hang on.
Humidity 42%.
Is 12:30 playing something?
National Weather Service forecast.
Around 5 to 10, becoming west in the afternoon. The Thursday night mostly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Then a slight chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s and northwest winds around 5 to 10. 30% chance of rain. For 4th of July, a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s and north winds around 10. 30% chance of rain. And for Friday night, a chance of thunderstorms and showers likely after midnight. Lows in the mid-50s and northeast winds around 10 to 15. 70% chance of rain. And there you have it with a check on your weather here on Big Country, KLTZ.
Big Country, KLTC.
Independence Day, slight chance of rain showers in the morning, then rain showers likely and a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 70%. Highs in the 70s. Friday night, rain showers likely and a slight chance of thunderstorms until midnight. Chance of rain showers after midnight. Chance of precipitation 60%. Lows in the
Fact. Now Flathead County's getting involved again.
chance of rain showers in the morning, then slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon.
That was
Chance of precipitation
Pennies.
30%. Highs in the mid to upper 70s. Saturday night and Sunday, mostly clear. Lows near 50. Highs in the lower to mid 80s. Sunday night and Monday, clear. Lows in the lower to mid 50s. Highs in the mid to upper 80s. Monday night through Wednesday.
It's KLTZ.
The National Weather Service in Glasgow has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Phillips County in northeastern Montana, northern Garfield County in northeastern Montana, southwestern Valley County in northeastern Montana until 8:30. Time, a severe thunderstorm is located near Devil's Creek Wreck area, or 42 miles northwest of Jordan, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Devil's Creek Wreck area, Hull Creek Wreck area, the Bentonite plant, Content, and Sun Prairie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If on or near Fort Pant Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from a parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm.
Shut. Oh boy. What's this? Oh.
Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This storm intensified, so be certain to monitor local radio
Yeah, this ought to be interesting. To see what they will do on this one. Well, that one kinda... Well, it's got a small bow to it, but... Well, I think this is the real deal we're watching. Shut up, South Carolina. Christ, what is it? I don't even know which one they're focusing on. I think it's that one. What is this rated? Oh, in case you're wondering what other radios I have going, this one I'm probably going to just channel surf with Kalispell area-ish stations plus KGGL, and then with this one I might just range back and forth between WXL 82, probably a few of the Kalispell area stations. That just looks nasty. So oh, that's what they did the SPS for. It's this one. I'm just waiting for the new hail reading to come in. Because it's still quarters, so I'm wondering if it's going to get upped again. Maybe not. I mean, it's kind of right on top of Ronan. Or Ronan, rather. So I'm highly curious on what they plan on doing with this one. I don't know. We'll see what they do here.
The National Weather Service in Glasgow has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Phillips County in northeastern Montana, northeastern Garfield County in northeastern Montana, Valley County in northeastern Montana, northwestern Macomb County in northeastern Montana until 9:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:08 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles Creek Wreck area, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations and tactics include Glasgow, Nashua, Fort Peck, Saco, The Pines Rec Area, Tampico, Kinsdale, Duck Creek Rec Area, Fort Peck Marina, Fraser, St. Marie, Rock Creek Rec Area, Vandalia, Sleeping Buffalo, Park Road, the Bentonite Plant, Frenchman Reservoir, Haxby, Content, and Bowdoin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Fort Peck Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Southeast of St. Marie, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Richmond, Port of Opine, Killers, St. Marie, Taney, West Fork, Wheeler, Montana, and Marsden. Protection move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That's them? I can tell signal's kind of iffy at the moment. Hold on, I need to ask somebody. Never mind, I got the answer. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's KGGL relay now. Fuck yeah, let's go. First Albuquerque FFW. Let's go.